Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to trim or cut a video on Instagram. So let's start. First, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select a video. I'll just select a short video. And tap next on top right corner. At the bottom of the screen you'll see the option Trim. Tap on that. Now, by dragging the end point and the starting point, you'll be able to trim the video. Now trim it as you like. You can also turn off the video sound and add a cover. Now when you are done, tap next on top right corner and post it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.